Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. In this video I will solve many kinds of exercises in order to answer all the questions in the exam. Let us see. You have to stop the video here and you start solving the exercises alone. Then you will watch the video till the end to correct your mistakes. Then you will watch again the video after correcting your mistakes. We are going to calculate x in such a way, this subset in 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. X should be an element in 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. And it should be less or equal to 5. We try 1, 3, and 5 because if we substitute x by 7, we get here 7 plus 5 equals 12. It doesn't belong to this set. If x equals 1, what do we get? If x equals 1, this set is 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6 doesn't subset. Doesn't subset 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. If we substitute x by 3, we get x plus 2, x plus 5 equals 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8 subset in 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. If x equals 5, x plus 2, x plus 5 equals 5, 7, 10. 5, 7, 10 subset. Then we have two solutions, 3 and 5. Second part, x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. We noted that if we substitute x by 1, we get 1 square 1 minus 3 plus 2. This is 3 minus 3 equals 0. Then 1 is a root. We factorize x squared minus 3x plus 2 and we solve the equation. X squared minus 3x plus 2 equals x minus 1 into the other factor, x times what equal x squared times x. Minus 1 plus times what equals plus 2 minus 2 equals 0, then x equals 1 or x equals 2. 4x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals 0. Here if we substitute x equals minus 1, we get 0. Minus 1 squared times 4 equals 4. Plus 3 times minus 1 minus 3 minus 1. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Then x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor. 4x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals x plus 1. The other factor, x times what equals 4x squared, 4x. Plus 1 times what equals minus 1. This is minus 1. These two, x equals minus 1 or x equals 1 over 4. Radical x minus 1 equals 2. How to find x? We have to get rid of the radical. We raise radical x minus 1 to the power 2, we get radical x minus 1 square, quantity square equals 2 square. Then x minus 1 equals 4. This to x equals 5. Fourth radical of 3x minus 5 equals 2. So we raise to the power 4 both sides. Fourth radical 3x minus 1 to the power 4, we got rid of the radical. We still have 3x minus 5. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 3x equals 16 plus 5 equals 21. X equals 21 over 3 equals 7. Fifth radical of 2x plus 1 equals minus 2. When the index is odd, the radical may be negative, but if the index is even, the answer should be positive always. So raised to the power 5 both sides, we get fifth radical of 2x plus 1 to the power 5 equal minus 2 to the power 5 equals minus 32. Minus 2 to the power 5 is minus 32, and fifth radical to the power 5 is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 equals minus 32, 2x equals minus 33, x equals minus 33 over 2. 7. Radical of sixth radical of x minus 1 equals minus 1. This equation is impossible because the radical should be always positive. In this case, we don't have a solution. Two x minus 1 to the power 6 equals 64. We write 64 as a number to the power 6, or we use the radical. 2x minus 1 to the power 6 equals 2 to the power 6. And since the power is even, we have two possible values of 2x minus 1, either 2 or minus 2. 2x minus 1 equals 2, x equal 2x equal 3, x equal 3 over 2, or 2x minus 1 equals minus 2, x equals minus 1 till the other side. We still have minus 1 over 2. 2x minus 1 to the power 5 equals minus 32. Here the power is odd. We have only one solution. Minus 32 is minus 2 to the power 5. Minus 2 to the power 5. 2x minus 1 equals minus 2. X equals minus half. Absolute value of x minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. We have to take two cases, if x is positive and if x negative. If x is greater or equal to 0, absolute of x equal x. Absolute of x is x. Substitute absolute of x by x. What do we get? Instead of absolute x, we have x. So x minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. How many x do we have? X minus 3x minus 2x. Minus 2x equals minus 2. X equals 1. X is positive and 1 is positive, so this solution is accepted. If x is negative, absolute value of x is minus x. We substitute instead of absolute of x minus x. What do we conclude? Minus x minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Minus x minus 3x minus 4x. Minus 4x equals minus 2. X equals minus 2 over minus 4 equal 2 over 4 equal half. This solution is rejected since x is negative. X here is negative. Then there is only one solution, which is x equal 1. Absolute 3x minus 1 equals 2. So 3x minus 1 equals 2, or 3x minus 1 equals minus 2. 3x minus 1 equals 2. We take minus 1 to the other side. 3x equal 3, x equal 1. Now, the same here. Minus 1 till the other side. We still have minus 1, x equal minus 1 over 3. Let us see. If 3x minus 1 equals 2, 3x equal 3, x equal 1. If 3x minus 1 equal minus 2, take minus 1 to the other side. This is minus 1. 3x minus 1, x equals minus 1 over 3. Absolute of 3x minus 1 equals minus 3. This equation is impossible because absolute value cannot be negative. Absolute of minus 3 plus absolute of 2x minus 1 equals 4. Here we have two absolute value inside of each other. How to get rid of the first absolute value? So minus 3 plus absolute 2x minus 1 equals either 4 or minus 4. We take each case alone. 2x minus 1 equal 7. Here absolute 2x minus 1 equals 7. Minus 3 till the other side. So this is 7. 2x minus 1, absolute value 2x minus 1 equals 7. So 2x minus 1 is either 7 or minus 7. 2x minus 1 equals 7. This 2x equals 8, x equals 4. 2x minus 1 equals minus 7. 2x minus 1 equal, or 2x equal minus 7. We take minus 1 to the other side with this plus 1. 2x equals minus 6, x equals minus 3. The other case, minus 3 plus absolute 2x minus 1 equals minus 4. So absolute value of 2x minus 1 equal minus 1 equal negative, then this is impossible. We don't have any solution. So the unique solutions are x equals 4 and x equal minus 3. X to the power minus 2 over 5 equals 1. How to get rid of the power minus 2 over 5? First, x to the power minus 2 over 5 is 1 over x to the power 2 over 5. Or x to the power minus 2 over 5 equals 1, and 1 is also equal 1 to the power minus 2 over 5, then x equal 1. 1 to the power any number is equal to 1. Thanks for following and good luck.